Hello everybody, welcome back to Rebuilt, the series where I discuss locomotives overhauled by various railroads and how they were improved and in some cases not improved. Speaking of locomotives that weren't as successful, this episode is about the EMD/Altoona Works BP4. The BP4 is one of the rare battery-powered locomotives made throughout history. Rightfully so, as you'll learn. I have a feeling that this will be a really short episode. The story begins in 2007 when Norfolk Southern began a joint program between Brookville Locomotive Works, Penn State University, and the United States Department of Energy under a $1.3 million federal grant. The goal of this project was to build a locomotive capable of switching rail yards in cities without the diesel emissions and noise pollution. Unit number 999 was built in 2007 with the frame of an ex-Conrail GP38 number 2911 built in 1969. There were 1,080 12-volt lead-acid batteries in place of where a fuel tank and prime mover were previously located. This unit was overhauled in Altoona, Pennsylvania at Norfolk Southern's Juniata shops. It tested by switching, and the lead-acid batteries were deemed not reliable enough. By 2014, the lead-acid batteries have been replaced with 864 lead-carbon batteries, resulting in a taller battery compartment portion of the locomotive, which can be seen here. This configuration was found to be significantly more effective. This new battery-powered locomotive was classified as the BP4, the BP standing for battery-powered, and the 4 denoting that's a 4-axle switcher. Only one unit, number 999, was ever built. It had 1,350 horsepower, Blomberg Type B trucks, an electric parking brake, a green eco paint scheme seen on many other NS Eco units, and is equipped for remote control operation. 999 was equipped with a K5LA and an EMD steel cast bell, although unfortunately, there's never been a video of its horn. Notably, it was very quiet due to not having a proper engine, and in my opinion, it sounded pretty cool when accelerating. Here's a video of that. After touring and making many publicity stunts, Norfolk Southern quietly stored this engine in Roanoke, Virginia. It was used for parts and its numberboards were stolen. It sat in Roanoke up until late 2019 when the 999, along with some unreliable genset units, were put up for sale. In late November, 999 was sold to Brugger & Monson, known to many as BUGX, and shipped out to California with the BUGX sticker on the side. It's unknown what the future holds for 999, but my guess is that it'll be used for spare parts and be scrapped, as it's not a very practical locomotive for regular use. Overall, the BP4 was a strange engine built by Norfolk Southern that never saw as much use as it was meant to. The BP4 was the first of its kind though. Nobody ever tried to make a battery-powered locomotive before as far as I know. In late 2019, Wabtec, also known as Motive Power Industries/General Electric, announced that they were building a GEVO-like locomotive that ran off of batteries. It's in testing right now, but who knows? Maybe battery-powered locomotives are the future of the railroad. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm not really sure what the next episode of Rebuilt will be. Either the CSX SD40-3 program or the NS SD40E program. I haven't done any research on either of the two, but as of now, it's looking more like the next episode will feature the NS SD40E program because there's much more information on it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.